Hello students, today we will calculate the packing efficiency of face-centered cubic unit cell. So all you know that in case of a face-centered cubic unit cell, the atoms are present at the 8 corners and also at the center of the 6 faces. So now I am going to draw a FCC cubic unit cell. See, this is a unit cell. In case of a FCC unit cell, the atoms are present at the 8 corners. That is, and the 6 atoms are at the center of the 6 faces. We also know that in case of a unit cell, the atoms are closely packed with each other. So they are considering as a atoms like a heart sphere. Now I am going to draw this corner atom and a face-centered atom like a heart sphere. Okay. I am considering this face only to calculate the packing efficiency. This is the center atom for this face and these are the corner atoms. It is clear that the face center atom will be in touch with each other, 2 atoms diagonally arranged. Okay. So I am considering these 3 face diagonal atoms only. This is the face diagonal. I am considering this is as A, B, C, D. Okay. In this figure, this is the edge length A. This is also edge length A, and I am considering this face diagonal as B. Okay. To calculate the packing efficiency, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now see from triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. Okay. From triangle ABC, what? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. And AB is nothing but, it is what? A, BC is also A, and AC is B. So putting these all values, therefore B square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. B is equal to root 2A. If the radius of this atom is small r, this is what? Twice a, and this radius is also small r, then B is equal to what? If r is the radius of the sphere, then what we found? B is equal to 4r, and that is equal to what? Root 2a. From this we can calculate the value of the atomic radius and also the value of a. Therefore, a is equal to 2 into root 2r and r equal to a by 2 root 2. From here we can calculate the value of r, that is the atomic radius, and also the value of a. Now total volume of the unit cell will be what? That is a cube. A is nothing but it is 2 into root 2 r. So this value will be 2 root 2 r whole cube. Also we know the volume of a sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now putting this all value, we can calculate the packing efficiency. Okay. Therefore the packing efficiency will be what? Volume occupied by 4 atoms in the unit cell into 100 per total volume of the unit cell. Okay. Here 4 atom is what? We all know that the atoms found in a face centered cubic unit cell is what? 4. And I have already discussed the number of atoms in a unit cell, so you can check it from my previous videos. Okay. That is equal to what? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the volume of a sphere, into 100 per total volume of the unit cell that already we have find out. What is this? A cube is equal to 2 root 2 r whole cube. So total volume of the unit cell is 2 root 2 r whole cube. That is equal to 4 4 is 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100 per 16 root 2 r cube. R cube cancel, and after calculating this we found the value as 74%. This is the value of packing fraction in a face-centered cubic unit cell. Therefore, the space occupied by the atoms or the spheres found in a face-centered cubic unit cell will be what? 74%. Okay. An empty space will be what? 100 minus 74%, that is equal to 26%. So, in case of a face-centered cubic unit cell, the value of packing efficiency will be maximum, and least in case of simple cubic or primitive cubic unit cell. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.